Touch is a very special sense. We have the 5 physical senses, but the sense of touch is very special because it's like, it's double. When you touch something, you're also being touched, meaning you perceive when you give. You receive and give at the same time. It's not like the other senses. And besides that, human touch is releasing a lot of the hormone called oxytocin in the body that makes us relax, feel good. It creates human bond or connection. And actually you can say that touch is an expression of love. It's an expression of the heart. All the way back to Aristotle, he said that the sense of touch is the foremost sense. It's actually the only super important sense we have as a human being. He said, if we have the sense of touch for the sake of being, the other senses are for the sake of well-being. So he said touch is essential, and that I believe as well still now, more than 2,000 years later. Then conscious touch. That means more than just being aware that I touch you now. When we say conscious touch, we refer actually to a triple awareness. We talk about the awareness upon me, the awareness upon the other one, and the awareness upon the connection. Because that connection, the point of touch, is actually where these two universes, they meet, and they have a possibility to merge, to melt into each other, when we really project all our awareness there. So actually you can say the conscious touch aims at uniting the two people who are involved in that touch.